Has your computer died? Running slow? Full of viruses? How much will it cost?
Drop your computer off at Computers Plus Repair and we'll provide any service you need for the lowest price in town, or we'll come to you. Computers Plus Repair is locally owned and operated, so you know you'll get the same expert service every time. We specialize in OS installs, failed hard drives, backups, and LCD repairs on any Mac or PC. Plus, we sell budget-friendly refurbished computers. Computers Plus Repair in the Pimlico Shopping Center, where honest advice is always free.